So 3 of the 8 sections out the way as we get to the 4th. There is Taisia MacDonald of Hydel. Surely has the quality to be in the championship race, and she starts in lane number 7.
Yeah, a quality field that she'll have to go up against. She was good for Hydel last year, got to the 200 meter final, finished in 7th, so now throwing her hat in the ring at 400 meters.
Very much the case. Davina Robinson of Irwin will go in 1, Ariana White of Arden in 2, Radine Barrett of Morant Bay in 3, Achana Levy of Marymount in 4, Sha-Jay Davis of Alpha in 5, Christina Clark of Excelsior 6, MacDonald of Hydel goes in 7, and Deandra Blair of Veer Technical will be in lane number 8. One thing with Hydel, they know how to show up when it matters.
And I think they've shown up best when the odds are not in their favor. What I've seen over the past 3 seasons is when they're counted out, they count themselves higher than everyone else. So they come to the fore when it really, really matters.
And I think whenever they are counted out, it's just because they are so difficult to understand and to score, because certainly this season, because of how limited their competitions have been. So it does take significantly deeper analysis to understand where they are and what they are likely to produce.
Set. Stand up.
Competitors asked to stand ahead of the start of heat number 4 in the Class 3 girls at 400 meters.
Yeah, and that analysis you speak of, Ricardo, that deep analysis doesn't come from going to track meets, and even when you go to training sessions.
Well, if they're not at track meets, then it certainly doesn't.
Right, and it comes from going to the training sessions, it comes from speaking to people close to the program, and again,
and you don't generally get a lot out of the Hydel program in terms of what is happening there. It's a very tight ship. Very much like an elite club at the highest level.
Yeah, agreed.
They are sent to their marks. Class 3 girls 400 meters, and this is the 4th heat.
Set.
Sent on their way. 4th heat of the Class 3 girls 400 meters. MacDonald of Hydel in lane number 7. Sha-Jay Davis of Alpha in lane number 5. One of the favorites for a medal here as well as they head down the back straightaway. MacDonald has gone out really quickly here, forcing the issue down the back stretch, with Davis of Alpha starting to respond as they go through 200 meters. MacDonald looks really good here, and Davis will have to chase her. She's taken Davis out of her race rhythm, and now Davis is trying to go after MacDonald of Hydel. Top 2 short to go through. Into the straightaway they come. Wide right arm for Sha-Jay Davis takes her past MacDonald and to the front. MacDonald still full of running though, but the Alpha girl too strong. It is Sha-Jay Davis who comes through to win this one in a pretty quick time, 56.60. I'm not sure she wanted to run that fast, but she certainly was forced to if she wanted to win the heat. 56.64 for Davis, 56.93 for MacDonald. Blair 103.64, finishing in 3rd position for Veer Technical.
So pretty fast times there for Davis and MacDonald, and we'll get a chance to see the replay soon.
Yeah, one of the things that we're talking about earlier with the Hydel team and the difficulty with scoring them, especially this season, because of the limited competitions, you really do have to look at a combination of things. Last year's results is significant as well. You have to look at where they were at the points of the season that they did compete in comparison to the rest of the field, and all of that takes a whole lot of work and time to really get a true understanding of where they are, as MacDonald really took it out hard and forced Davis to chase her in the last 200.
Yes, McDonald of Hydel, she was running in lane 7, so running a bit blind there. Only one person on the outside of her, so she did what she felt she needed to do, got out and pulled Davis of Alpha alongside her. Davis eventually getting the edge towards the line there, as you see both ladies, both girls pushing themselves towards the line. 56 for both of them, so very quick fourth heat here in qualifying.
Yeah, and I think smart running from McDonald. She wants to test